Cindy and several others asked, how do I see the heart rate and the cadence with the Schwinn IC4 using the Peloton app? So what I'm going to do within this video is show you how I set mine up. So the first thing I do is go into cycling, and I pick my workout for this test. I'm just going to pick a random workout here, and then I'm going to click start. Now what we're going to do, and I'm wearing my Apple Watch, what we're going to do is I'm going to go over to the bike, and I'm going to spin the pedals as if I was pedaling, because you gotta start that. So I just spun the pedals on the bike, and now what I can do is click on this screen here. And once I click on the screen, there's that little rotate type icon towards the right, and then there's an icon that looks like a little heart rate monitor type thing. So I select that. Then for the cadence, you can see I've got IC bike selected there, and for heart rate, it says we are using Apple Watch to measure your heart rate. So it's already found my Apple Watch, and you'll see the cadence to the left here. And if I was actually active, let me see, let me fire up my Apple Watch. Yeah, so now my Apple Watch is active. So you can see heart rate at the top left, and directly below that, the cadence. So if I was pedaling, and I'm going to simulate that, I'm going to move the pedals. So you can see as I move the pedals, the cadence moves. So that's how I do it. Now I do not use the app. I do have an Apple TV 4K, but I don't use the Apple TV 4K for my for my workouts. I either use just the iPhone screen, or what I do 90% of the time is I swipe down from the top right of the Apple iPhone screen, and I do the AirPlay, because the smart TV that I use that's in front of my IC4 is AirPlay compatible. So basically what that does is wirelessly cast my iPhone screen. So I see the same thing I see here, except it's full screen, and then I've got the benefit of having the speakers, the high quality speakers that are connected to my TV. So, that's the best way I've found to do Peloton workouts. So, if you've got what I would do, Cindy, you said they are on my iPhone screen. They are on my iPhone, but not on the screen. You said you use Apple TV. What I would do instead of using the Apple TV Peloton app is that I would simply, swipe down from the top right of your phone and then do AirPlay and select your Apple TV. So in essence, your iPhone screen will be streamed to your Apple TV, which is connected to your large screen television. So that way you should see exactly what you see on your iPhone, except it's being streamed to your big screen to make your workouts more enjoyable. Hope this video helped. Continue to ask the great questions. I appreciate it. If you're shopping for IC4, the mat like I use, the shoes like I use, expand this video's description and then click the link there, and you can find them all there. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.